Hey everybody, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you hide your cells and work on it easily. So this is one new trick, so it will be best for you. So let's get started. So here is my data, and suppose I want to hide this unit cost. Then I will go here and then in home tab, show number format, and I will go on custom, and then I will type here semicolon 3 times, and then okay, done. You can see here it's disappeared, but in here formula tab you can see the result. So if I will use your formulas for now, then units in the cost or this one, then you can see the change. So if I type here 100, then you can see the changes here. So in this way you can hide these cells. Okay, so this is one trick, so you can apply in your work. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and support me, and stay tuned to get my new video. Thank you.